Hi guys, today I will explain about how to import a theme on Shopify. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is open your computer browser and log into Shopify and sign in back account on which you want to import a theme. Before importing any theme, make sure you have download tag in your computer because when you will try to import, then you will be redirected to the storage of your computer. So once you confirm everything, take a look on the left side of my computer screen. You will see multiple options. From these, you have to select this option, Online Store. Once you will click on the option Online Store, it will be automatically directed to the theme. But if you not, and click on theme, and you will see the same interface like me. This one is the theme library. If I scroll down, here you will see multiple themes. You can also add by clicking on the add icon, and you can visit the theme store for expanding more. Here you can see browse over 80 free can paid professional design theme. But in order to import, scroll up, and here you can see the option of import theme Bitconnect. And here is the option of upload zip file. In order to upload, click on it and then click on the option add file. But remember one thing, the maximum size which are allowed for uploading is 50 MB. So make sure the size is less than 50 MB. Once you confirm, click on the option add file, then search that in your computer. Once you see, open that and upload back. Then your theme will be imported on Shopify, and that's it.